muntik na po akong ma-promote to national level. Mahirap po yun. Hanggang dito na lang muna po ako ngayon. I can do better here. So, good morning everyone. And of course, we are very honored to be hosting the DOST NCR Regional Science, Technology and Innovation Week 2025. We welcome our esteemed guests and visitors here today. No? DOST Secretary, Dr. Renato Solidon, Jr. Thank you, sir. Welcome. DOST Undersecretary for Regional Operations, Yusek Sancho Magoron. Hello, sir. DOST Undersecretary for Special Concerns, Yusek Teodoro Gatchalian. DOST Assistant Secretary for Technology Transfer, Communications and Commercialization, Asek Napoleon Juanito Jr. Hello, sir. DOST NCR Regional Director, Engineer Romelen Trescales. The District Representative, City of Malabon, Lone District Honorable Antonin Oreta. Hello, sir. And all the other esteemed directors from DOST and the other DOST officials. We also, of course, welcome other government officials from the Department of Trade and Industry, represented by the Regional Director, Director J. Akar. From the local government units of Pasig and Caloocan, I will not mention those specifically. Industry representatives and our friends from the other higher education institutions. Welcome to the Technological Institute of the Philippines. So the theme of this year's RSTW in NCR, Building Smart and Sustainable Communities, clearly aligns with our school's ongoing research, development, and innovation activities that aim to build safer and more sustainable communities. So when the DOST asked us if we could host, we were very welcome to this idea. Examples of some of our PIP initiatives for sustainable communities are the following. Number one, the ALAB EU project with Sonic's proven capacity to increase the lifespan of lead-acid batteries. It's important for battery optimization and waste reduction. This project obtained funding from the DOST Science for Change program and now has a registered patent in the Japan Patent Office. We await, thank you. We await the patent registration in the Philippines as we proceed with the design, optimization, and its application in battery manufacturing. Number two, the H2 project. With funding support from the DOST Fisher Grants and Aid under the Balik Scientist Program, BSP, that focuses on developing a storage system for hydrogen energy, which could help boost our energy source several years down the road. Number three, with the funding support from DOST Credo, our phytovortex system, which is now deployed in Subic, Zambales, has also been proven to treat wastewater before it reaches the riverways and streams of Zambales. It is a wastewater system that PIP and Subic Water are now studying for its smarter, modular application for wastewater treatment to be installed directly in Filipino homes, as well as probably LGUs and other units that could benefit from it. Number four, which is featured and available for viewing and enjoyment in the exhibit hall. The Pasada system, with its embedded sensors for smart applications and with its robust system to record drivers' behavior, will provide a more systematic and scientific approach in understanding and correcting, if needed, driver behaviors for safer communities. The DOST Preserve Fast Track program has supported this initiative. These are just some of our innovation initiatives here in DIP that leverage on our resources, which I hope some of our officials will have time to visit later, and our pool of experts, and of course, the dedication of our partners. Initiatives that are designed and intended to build safer, smarter, and more sustainable communities are much needed, and we should do our fair share in producing them. Thus, we are really honored to be hosting this year's DOST NCR RSTW, as it anchors on TIP's school-wide commitment to providing the right ecosystem for collaboration and innovation. We hope that by hosting this event, we create a wonderful venue for current and even new stakeholders to further collaborate, ideate, identify, noteworthy technologies and become friends and partners. May all of us enjoy this event, and please see the sights, enjoy everything that the UST and TIP have prepared. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.